Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is hands down one of my favorite, if not my favorite, tea flavor of all time. This is a Bigelow Peppermint tea bags flavor. So I have to speak all the time, and it's a matter of every single day. And having the sensation of this tea flavor of peppermint, which it just feels like it's a cool down in my throat, it just tastes great. Early in the morning, or you're just about to start the day, or when you need just a break from your throat. In my case, I have to be speaking and talking mostly the whole day, and having this tea bags, it's like a savior for me. From time to time, I get sick from my throat, and having the opportunity just to have a nice, refreshing tea, or just besides just being sick, it's just having this relaxing and refreshing flavor of peppermint. It's just great. So, this was John with WTI, and that was my opponent.